Have you ever wanted to streamline your calendar management only to find yourself tangled in a web of events? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to drag multiple external events into FullCalendar and have them represented as a single event. I totally get it. Managing events can be a hassle, especially when you want to group them together. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with FullCalendar. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I have checkboxes beside external events, drag them together, and drop them onto the calendar as a single event?" This is a common scenario, and it can be a bit tricky to implement. So let's explore how to tackle this. So what's the underlying issue? The challenge lies in how FullCalendar handles external events and how we can modify its behavior to meet our needs. Understanding this will help us find the right solution. And stick around. I have a fantastic example at the end that will make this process crystal clear and help you implement it seamlessly. To begin solving this problem, the user should first set up the HTML structure. This includes creating a list of external events with checkboxes beside each event. Next, the user should implement the drag and drop functionality. This can be achieved using FullCalendar's external drag and drop feature. The user needs to initialize the calendar and make the external events draggable. Now the user needs to handle the drop event on the calendar. When the user drops the checked external events, the code should combine them into a single event. Finally, the user should test the implementation. They can do this by checking multiple events and dragging them onto the calendar to see if they are combined into a single event. Fun fact, did you know that the first calendar was created by the ancient Egyptians? They used a lunar calendar to track time, but thankfully we have much better tools today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who references a related issue on GitHub. They mention that other users have successfully implemented the ability to drag and drop multiple events onto FullCalendar. They also provide a link to a working example on CodePen showcasing how to achieve this functionality. Here's the example I promised. Check out this JS Fiddle link where you can see the complete implementation in action. It will help you visualize the entire process. And there you have it. You should now be able to drag multiple external events into FullCalendar as a single event. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.